Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online class. So here I am going to tell you about the administrative system of Maurya dynasty. Yes. So let us see. This is the part 2 which we are going to learn. Yes. Okay. In part 2 we are going to learn about administrative system, social system, economic system during the Mauryan period. Yes, and also we are going to learn art and architecture of Mauryan period. Yes, let us move for the topic. Maurya period had centralized administration system. The power was concentrated in the hands of the king. Hence, a huge number of officials unseen before were appointed to run the administration. There was a strong espionage network. Minister, priestess, prince, and generals were the higher subordinates of the king. Yes. So now comes the empire was divided into provinces. There were ruled either princes or relatives of the king's family. Yes, see here. If there is an empire, so that a particular empire was um, ruled by the princes, or either you also can call them as a rulers of that particular place. Yes. So in previous lesson we learned about palupattas. Okay, it comes in 7th standard. I hope that you all people learn about this palupattas. Yes, palupatta, it means who with the particular place was ruled by the Palaigaras. So that place only is called palupattas. Yes. So here here the empire was divided into provinces. They were ruled by the either princes or relatives of the king's family. Yes, they should be related to the king's family. Takshila, Ujjain, Dauli, Suvarnagiri, and Girnar were the regional administrative centers of the Ashoka dynasty or Maurya dynasty. Yes, officials like Rujuka. Yes, officials like Rujuka. Rujuka means justice officer. Rujuka is a name of justice officer. Yes, so Rujuka means justice officer means Rujuka, and Rujuka means justice office. Okay, then Yukta. Yukta means information recording officer. Okay, Yukta means information recording office. Officials like Rujika and Yukta. Official means official workers name we are going to learn here. Like Rujika. Rujika, he is one of the officer. Yes. So Rujika means just justice officer. Yes. Yukta means information recording officer. These were the two types of officers which are going to work in administrative system. Yes. So now comes the administration of Pataliputra was done by a group of 6 committees consisting of 30 officials. Yes. See here. The administration of Pataliputra. Pataliputra was the capital city of Maurya dynasty. Yes. So in this Pataliputra, the work or the administration work was done by a group of 6 committees. How many committees? 6 committees consisting of 30 officials. Yes. Now comes the economic system of Maurya dynasty. Economic system of Maurya dynasty. So let us see what kind of economic system during Mauryan period. Yes, there are evidences there are evidences which prove that the lake and canal system of irrigation was good during Maurya period. Yes, see, you can see the irrigation system also. From the previous lesson onwards, we people are going to learn about irrigation systems. Yes, so which is in the right side. Yes, in the right side of the desktop. So there you can see the lake system or a canal system. Yes, the person is going to put the water. Okay. Next, the second one is the left side was um, that is a cultivation. Those both people are going to cultivate their land. Yes. Now comes Pushya Gupta. Pushya Gupta, a governor during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, had built Sudarshana Sarovar, a dam in uh, Junag of Gujarat. Yes. So Pushya Gupta, he was a governor. Yes, Pushagupta was a governor during the ruling period of Chandragupta Maurya. Yes, he built Sarovar. He built Sudarshana Sarovar dam in Jungad of Gujarat. An officer named uh, Tushap Tushastapa. Tush, Tushaspa. Yes, the officer name is Tushap Tushaspa. Tushaspa. Yes, so see how different kinds of names are there during the reign of Maurya dynasty. Yes, the officer name is Tushaspa. During the reign of Ashoka, built the canal system for this dam. Which dam? Which dam? This Junagd of Gujarat dam. Yes, Megasthenes has also recorded the existence of irrigation canals. Yes, who? Megasthenes. See, the government was managing the agriculture sector. Prisoners of war and slaves were engaged in agricultural activities. Land tax was the main source of revenue for the state. A farmer was accepted to pay one fourth of his income as tax to the state. Yes, the land tax was going to take from the common people here. That land tax was the main source of the collecting the revenue of the state. Yes. Here in previous lesson also, where means ancient civilizations of the India, there also you learned in Rigvedic period how in during the Rigvedic period the tax or the revenue used to collect from the people. Yes. See, officers named Samaharta and Sanidatta. Samahatra and Sanidhatta were in charge of the tax collection and were also the custodians of the royal treasury. Yes, see, Samahatra and Sanidhatta both were the two officers. Yes, these both officers were the in charge of the tax collection. Yes, means revenue collection or tax collection. Yes, they were also custodians of the royal treasury. Royal treasury means the treasury of the Maurya dynasty. Yes. Now comes the technical or the technology of producing metal alloys had evolved during the reign of Mauryas. As a result, urban-based artifacts artifacts production and their marketing found place in the economy of Mauryas along with agriculture. Economic system, let us see three more important points. There were major roads connecting the different parts of the empire from Pataliputra, the capital city of Mauryas. Yes, a major road to Nepal passing through Vaishali and um, Chamapara, sorry, a major road to Nepal passing through the Vaishali and Chamaparanya from Pataliputra was also there. A highway to Takshashila from Kaushambi passing through the present Delhi and Punjab was there. Next comes merchants were transporting goods on these roads to sell within and outside the empire. Kachu, mark, Kachu marked silver coins. Yes, Kachu means those were the silver coins. Yes, Kachu marked silver coins. We can call it like that also. Yes, in the on the desktop you can see the marked coins. Okay. Next, Kachu marked silver coins were in circulation in the Maurya kingdom. This period is marked as the second phase of urbanization. Yes, this period. Okay, this period means the period of the Maurya Empire. Those those period only called as or marked as the second phase of urbanization. Yes, kachu means kachu. It is a silver coin. Okay, which is the marked silver coins. Yes. Now comes social system of Maurya dynasty. Yes, in the previous sessions also we people learn about the social system. Yes, like Varnas. So you already know how many Varnas are there. Yes, on the what basis they used to divide it as a four types of Varnas. Yes, the social system was evolving out of the Varna based caste system of during this period. This period means during the Mauryan spirit. People born in higher Varna could migrate to another Varna and gain better social acceptance and respect. There were few such openings for this mobility. Yes. Now comes Brahmana, which is the first and the upper caste. Yes, Brahmana and Kshatriya. Kshatriya were the second upper caste. Yes, Brahmana and Kshatriya could interchange their status, though the society was divided into four varnas. Okay, so you already know which all are the four varnas. Yes, the first varna is Brahmana, second Kshatriya, third one Vaishya, and the fourth and the very least Varna, that is Shudra. Yes, several castes were also present. Not only these four Varnas were available on during the Maurya period, also along with these four Varnas, several castes also you can see here. Megasthenes records the presence of seven castes in Mauryan society in his Indica. Indica is the book of Megasthenes. Yes. The Buddhist sources also confirm the existence of castes. Even you people learn about the caste system in Buddhist sources also. Yes. Not only that, not only that, though these castes were less rigged than in later periods, caste system had started assuming rigidity during Maurya period itself. Indica does not record the existence of slaves and dasas in Mauryan society. Yes, though slavery was in practice during Mauryan rule, it was less harsh than the slavery of Greek and Roman societies. Shudras, the last in the Varna system, were employed as agricultural laborers and domestic help. Now comes the another one, that is none other than art and architecture of the Mauryan period, or during the Maurya dynasty or Mauryan period, what kind of art and architecture will be there. Yes, so art and architecture. So you can see on the desktop, yes, the contribution of Mauryas to art and architecture is of great significance. Megasthenes Indica records the grandeur of Maurya's palaces in Pataliputra. Yes, the wooden ruins of the palace and the fort around the palace in Pataliputra have been found during excavation. During the period of Ashoka, many stupas were built and pillars were erected. Among all the stupas that are found, the stupa of Sanchi is the biggest stupa. Yes, in our whole India, we can say, or even we can say that in the whole world also we can say that the stupa of Sanchi was the biggest stupa. Yes. Next comes another work another work of Maurya dynasty. Yes, around 30 pillars have been found and all of them are polished and made very smooth. Yes, them are them are polished and made smooth. The images of lion or ox. Yes, The images of lion or ox are sculpted on these pillars. Which pillar? Which you people are going to see on the desktop. Yes. Our national emblem of four-headed lion is taken from the Ashoka pillar of Saranatha. Yes, that Ashoka pillar, that Ashoka pillar was constructed by the Chandragupta Maurya. Am I right? No, that was constructed by Ashoka. Yes, who was the greatest king of our India. Yes, which one? Our national emblem of four-headed lion is taken from the Ashoka pillar of Saranatha. Pillar was that pillar was constructed by Ashoka. Yes. Next one. Apart from these, Ashoka built three rock cut caves. Rock, three rock cut caves at Barber Hill. His son Darsha, his son Dasharatha built three more rock cut caves at at Nagaruni Hills. Nagarani Hills. Also, you can call Nagaruni Hills. These caves are also important creations of Maurya period. Yes, these all rock cut caves and the pillar of Saranatha. Yes, that four-headed lion. These all are important. Yes, important creations of Maurya period. So here I am going to tell you that regarding Kushanas, the Kushanas we people are not going to learn in this session because government already decided to reduce your portion for the reason of COVID-19. Yes, so we'll meet in the next lesson.